Check out what just landed. Damn, man, under the sun, this car just goes crazy. I wish you guys could see it in person. But it has some purple and blue undertone. Man, this car is so sick. Carbon fiber cover and the rear end as well. This car has the carbon fiber Alleggerita package, which gives it weight reduction, about 55 pounds. It's an option on this car. Has a good price on it, man, but jeez, I love this color. If I was to spec out a Temerario, this is how I'd spec it out. This color hits different, especially under the sun. Man, this thing looks sick. The front lip, that's carbon fiber. Side skirts, fully optioned out. I'm gonna check out the interior, but man, under the sun, this car just looks so good. All right, let's check out the interior.